So it didn't work last time, but it's gonna work today. I'm gonna get this backhoe off. Hopefully. Alright, so I got the levelers down on both sides. You see the levelers down here, levelers down here. I got the backhoe stick down. Should be braced like it needs to be. This pin out. Now let's see if we can drive out from under it. That broke it loose. I think we got it that time. Alright, so I was able to break it loose. Perfect. Well, not perfect, but successful. And so now it's all stabilized. So now I just need to take the hydraulics loose. I'm not sure if I can do this with one hand. It's hard to get to. Try this one first. There we go. There's one. Let's see here. There we go. Should be able to break free. There should be nothing else holding it on, hopefully. box blade on pretty well. Took a little finagling to get the arms lined up and everything, but that really wasn't a big deal. But I'm having trouble getting this top link on. The bolt or the pin is not going through far enough for me to slide the other pin down in there, so I think I need to tighten up this bolt, and hopefully that'll bring it together a little bit. So we'll see. Sure if that's going to do it or not. Still doesn't want to go all the way through. Feels like it's in a bind. It might be. This doesn't help any. Well, I have one of those other little pins I can put in there. Maybe that'll do the trick. So I went ahead and put one of those pins on there, and that'll do for now. So if you've seen the previous video where the backhoe, I couldn't get it off, obviously this one went a whole lot better. I was in the same area, so the ground was just as level as it was before, but the only difference this time was I used the boom, the stick on the boom, and to maneuver the front end of this up and down, and so once I did that, it kind of broke loose and it was able to come loose a whole lot easier. Obviously it didn't before because it didn't work at all before. So I was pretty happy that I was able to get it off. A little nervous about trying to put it back on, but I'll have to worry about that another day. So I was able to go ahead and get this off. It's going to sit right here for a while. This will be really the best spot I have for it. And so I was able to get my box blade on. Had a little trouble getting my box blade on. The pins on the lower arms went in just fine. But the top link, I couldn't, once I got the pin in, the top link, I couldn't get the other pin to go inside the hole. So I used that smaller pin to hold it in there. But that'll go fine. I think I'll get a longer top link pin. I think that'll be a little easier and give me a little bit more room to play with to be able to get the pin down inside the hole to secure it better. But I think that went pretty well. I have some box blade work to do here on this property, but like I mentioned before, my fiance and I bought another piece of property about an hour away. It's 15 acres. There's going to be a lot of work to do there. The land is clear, but it's raw. I mean, they cleared the trees out of it and the stumps, but that's really about it. So there's going to take a whole lot of work to get that where we want it. So I'll have plenty of work to do there with the box blade and with the bush hog. There's going to be a lot of bush hogging to do over time. But for now, I want to get the box blade on there so I can do some work around here, take it over to the other property once we close, but that won't be until August. Take it over there. I'd like to go ahead and gravel or grade out a driveway, so the construction crews can get in and out of there. So yeah, so once we get closed on that, we'll be able to take the tractor over there and get a whole lot more work done, and hopefully get some more videos out of that. So until then, I'll be just kind of Mickey Mousing around here doing some small stuff, but once we get moved in over there, there'll be a whole lot more videos. So hope you enjoyed this. Hope you got something out of it. At least you can probably figure out what not to do when you're taking off your backhoe. But so appreciate you watching. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.